Hello to anyone who is watching. My name is Kizito, and today I'm going to show you how to create a function that capitalizes the first letter of each word. And then we're going to analyze it to see what exactly is going on. Okay, so first thing we need to do is create an empty array. And that array is going to be called words. So let's put this const words equals then empty array, or open and close square brackets. And then the next thing we're going to do is use the for of loop. So let's do this. For let word of string dot split. Why am I using this the split helper method? So I can turn this string into an array. All right, so let's continue. And after that, we're going to push every word that's changed inside of the empty array called words. How do we do that? We're going to use the helper method push. So let's do this. Words dot push, and then inside the helper method we're going to use a couple of tricks here. First thing is this. Word is just one of the elements inside of this array that you recreated. For example, if the string was given an argument of a string that says the dog went home, the first word that will be popping up in here will be the. So let's try this word, and then we're going to give it a 0. By doing this word and making an indexing to 0, it's going to only show the letter T, and that's it. That's what we're selecting actually. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to capitalize that letter there. So how do we do that? We're going to use the helper method to upper case. Okay, perfect. We got that set up. So now the first letter of this word here, the, will be capitalized. But we need the full word there. How do we do that? Well, easy. All we need to do is plus, and then we're going to use word again, because this is actually the whole word. And then we're going to use the helper method slice and give it 1. What does slice do? Well, it has 2 parameters. The first parameter's purpose is to remove the chosen index you picked. For example, I put 1, so T will be missing and the rest will be HE that will be showing. The second parameter is to display how many characters you want it to show. Like, for example, like home. If I wanted it to show only, let's see, OME, then I would put comma, then 3. And that should give you this just OME and leave out the H because there's a 1 in the first parameter. Okay, but for now we're just going to remove the 3 and the comma. So that way we can get the rest of the characters from the word the. Alright, so after you've set this up, we are going to return the new array words. And actually, don't forget, put another helper function called join and give it double quotes with a space in it. By putting the helper method join in there, it just turns the array back into a string. Alright, looks like we got everything set up. So let's go ahead and copy this. And just like last time, I have my dev tool set up already. So all I have to do is go over here and drag it to the screen here so y'all can see what's going on. And then I'm going to paste this function in. All right. Now let's go ahead and give the function an argument, or give it a sentence inside of the argument here. So let's try this. In fact, let's use the same sentence that you saw in the text editor. The dog went home. All right, now we're going to press enter. Like, there you go. Capital T in the, capital D for dog, went at home. All right, now that we have this set up, let's go ahead and analyze it. And how do we do that? We're going to use this nice little feature that the dev tool allows us to use called Debug. In fact, we're going to use it inside of the for loop. Debug, well, it was a debugger. All right, and now we're going to press enter. Okay, awesome. Now you can see exactly what the values are for each variable that was created. Like here. See? This is a string here, and I gave it an argument, and the argument is a sentence of the dog went home. There it is right there. Okay. And now const word is actually an empty array, but we're already inside of the for loop, and we gave it its first element, which is the, with a capital T. All right, but let's go here. See that? You see this word? That's the first letter. Well, that's actually the first word in the string there that we have turned into an array, which is the dog went home. Now all we got to do is keep going down to here. Now we see words. Looks like it's got its first one. First words again. There's the first element, the, and then by putting a 0 there, it's going to only grab the first letter in the word the. And then after that, we're going to uppercase that letter there too, capital T, followed by adding the rest of the characters in the word the by using slice, which just takes out the first letter, T, and displays the rest, and therefore gives you capital T for the. Then finally, towards the end, we have everything joined. So if I keep pressing this, you'll see that it will go to the next letter, which is dog. See, there you go, dog. Word is dog. And then it just keeps repeating the same process until it reaches the final word, which is home. So let's press it again, debug, went, all right, and then home. Awesome. That's it for today.